Welcome to the AI Income Show, where AI meets opportunity. Discover the smartest tools and strategies to help you work less and earn more. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the AI Income Show. I'm your host, Pavel Rain, and today we are diving into something incredibly exciting. What if, in 2025, you could build software using only natural language, no coding required? That's right. We're talking about vibe coding, the AI-driven programming revolution. Joining us today is someone who knows this frontier inside and out, Elira Knox. Welcome to the show, Elira.
Thank you so much for having me, Pavel. I'm thrilled to be here and share all about this fascinating topic with your audience.
Absolutely. You've been right at the forefront of vibe coding, using conversational prompts and AI to build real tools. Before we delve into the how-tos of it all, can you give us a bit of a definition and its origins? How did vibe coding come into existence?
Of course! Vibe coding essentially is the future of programming where you instruct programs to build themselves just by describing what you want them to do. It's all about natural language processing integrated deeply with AI. Andrej Karpathy is one of the visionaries who popularized this concept. It's evolved from the advances in GPT-based models and has been seen as an evolution of AI's capability to comprehend and execute complex tasks based on human language.
That shift to an intent-first development approach is revolutionary. How does vibe coding actually work? Can you walk us through a real-world example, Elira?
Certainly, Pavel. Imagine you're a startup founder with an idea for a new app feature. Instead of sitting down and writing lines of code, you start by describing this feature in detail to an AI tool. The AI generates the initial code based on your description. You iterate it further by conversing with the AI, refining your requests, and the AI adjusts the code accordingly. It lets you focus on the what rather than the how. One of the tools leading in this area is Replit's Ghostwriter, which has been phenomenal for generating code on the fly based on conversational input.
That's incredible. It almost sounds like magic. What are some of the tools out there aside from Replit that facilitate vibe coding?
There are several leading tools, Pavel. GitHub Copilot is another prominent one that developers are using for vibe coding. There's also LangChain, which provides a streamlined way to build applications that need to combine language models with other functionalities. And if you're automating workflows, Nightingale offers a great visual interface for crafting automation sequences without coding. Each of these tools brings something special to the table and can be combined for a powerful development combo.
Such versatility. I'm intrigued though, what are the potential downsides of using vibe coding?
Great question, Pavel. While vibe coding offers rapid prototyping and reduced development barriers, it does come with its set of challenges. Security is a major concern because you're essentially generating code that might not have been vetted by human developers. There's also the issue of maintainability over time. Vibe coding tends to generate code that solves the immediate problem but might not be as optimized or clean as handwritten code. And, of course, there's the yet untested territory of regulatory compliance, especially if you're developing something for sensitive industries.
Potential pitfalls for sure. But on the flip side, are there specific scenarios where vibe coding is making a real impact right now?
Absolutely. Startups aiming to explore MVPs without the usual overheads are a prime example. Freelancers are using it to automate tasks that would typically require a dedicated developer. On the client side, small tools and consumer applications can be built quickly, allowing businesses to pivot without significant infrastructure changes. It's about democratizing access to software development for innovators and problem solvers who might not have a traditional coding background.
It's exciting to think about the doors that are opening. Now, the big question on everyone's mind, how can someone listening to this use vibe coding to not just create, but monetize these AI tools and prototypes quickly?
The key here is speed to market, Pavel. With vibe coding, you can prototype and iterate rapidly. Imagine identifying a pressing problem, deploying a simple solution yourself, and testing market interest. If there's traction, you scale or even sell the concept. With platforms like Substack and Patreon paired with a few vibe-coded tools, you can start a subscription model, delivering innovative solutions to subscribers. You're not just showing an MVP to potential investors, you're showing a product, albeit a simple one, with real users and feedback.
That's an incredibly empowering prospect, Elira. As we wrap up, let's remind our listeners to check the description for the tools we've mentioned today. Go try your first vibe-coded project. Because learning vibe coding now puts you ahead in the software world that's quickly shifting towards intent-first development. Elira, any closing thoughts?
Just to keep an open mind and stay curious, Pavel. These tools, as nascent as they are, have the potential to redefine how we interact with technology. Jumping in early means you're ready for the wave of changes coming our way. And enjoy the creative process. It's not just about solving problems, but expanding the boundaries of possibilities.
Wise words. Thank you once again, Alara, for sharing all these insights with us today. To everyone tuning in, thanks for listening. Keep experimenting, keep innovating, and until next time, let's embrace the future of AI-driven income creation.
Thanks for joining the AI Income Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next AI-powered income opportunity. See you there.